Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Snyder of Snyder Law, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney here in Irvine, California, and I want to take a few minutes today to talk about a topic that's come up this week about frequent flyer miles and what to do with them in your planning. We've all gone through the summer, and some of us have used our frequent flyer miles to go places, or we're stockpiling it to go places for next summer or upcoming for the holiday season. But what happens to them if something happens to us? I actually get asked that question a lot, and I was explaining to some clients earlier this week some of the different outcomes, and I'd like to share that with you. So with frequent flyer miles, they're an intangible asset, so it's difficult to be able to assign them to different places, whether you've created a trust or you have a will with your planning. It's difficult to put frequent flyer miles into a trust, for example. Actually, what you're going to need to look at is the contractual terms of your frequent flyer or rewards program that you have with your credit card company. There'll be terms lodged somewhere in the fine print about what happens to your frequent flyer miles technically. And these rewards programs are contractual in nature, and because it's an intangible asset, actually that is what's going to control. However, the airline companies and credit card companies that manage these reward programs have actually been pretty good about honoring what you put in your will in regards to frequent flyer miles. So you can, in a will, indicate to whom you would like to inherit or receive your stockpile of frequent flyer miles. And this could be quite significant. We're talking about average a frequent flyer miles worth about 1.5 cents. And some people have been able to amass quite an amount of miles that could be equivalent to a lot of money. And so you can do that there and hope that the rewards program will honor and follow the will. However, if they don't, you're kind of stuck because, like I said, it's contractual in nature. So if it's in the contract how the rewards points or miles are supposed to be disposed of, if the owner of the account and holder of the rewards has passed away, then that's going to control. So it moves me to my second point that I've talked about before is when it comes to frequent flyer miles, best if you use them. Because if you use them, you might lose them. If you don't use them, you might lose them. So I know that we all try to hit that milestone so we can have a bunch of miles, and then we can go a variety of different places, and we're all trying to stockpile points. But it's unclear if you're going to be able to give those to your family, your loved ones after you pass away due to the contract. So you might as well use them now. So either you use them or you put in some terms into your will regarding your frequent flyer miles. So there you have it. How to incorporate frequent flyer miles in your planning. Glad to spend this time with you. Check back in with you next week. You all have a nice weekend. Take care.